All right, we're going to make our lives a bit easier here by multiplying everything by 12, because that's the lowest common denominator. And by doing that, we're going to get rid of all those nasty fractions. So 12 multiplying into the whole equation, both the left and the right side, will clear the fractions. 12 over 3m squared is the first term, 12 over 12m the second, and 12 over 4 is the term on the right. Now I can reduce these fractions to get 4m squared plus m equals 3. Now I need a 0 on the right side, so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and now I'm ready to use the quadratic formula. So m equals negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So to identify my coefficients here, a equals 4, b equals 1, and c equals negative 3. So m equals negative 1 plus or minus 1 squared minus 4, a is 4, c is negative 3, all divided by 2 times a, which is 4. So simplifying, I have negative 1 plus or minus 1 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 3 is 48. And it's going to be positive 48 because I have 2 minus signs, divided by 8. So I have m equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 49 all over 8. 49 is a perfect square. So I could write this as plus or minus 7, because 49, square root of 49 is 7 over 8. And at this point, I am going to split this into two answers, negative 1 minus 7 over 8, which is negative 8 over 8, which is equal to negative 1, or negative 1 plus 7 over 8, which is 6 over 8, which equals 3/4. So there are my two answers.